This is Jacob House with Western Window Systems here at JXN Station, Mountain View Window and Door in Grand Junction, Colorado. We're showcasing our 600 series sliding patio door. We've got an X or OXXO application here in this interior setting.
So X is operable.
X is operable. OXXO, so two operating panels here in the middle that meet completely even. We can actually do these as an offset meet as well. If you want a bigger panel on the left side than you do on the right, but we've got an even system here that allows these two panels to bipart in the middle. Most people are very comfortable with this in a patio setting. You can see we actually have a premium Dallas handle, which is slightly different than you might see on our multi-slide systems, where it's completely flush inside the style. This can be done in a bronze or satin anodized or brushed nickel. Would be the proper term for this handle if you have it in a satin color. But these two doors will meet, and this door actually comes with water, air, weather infiltration ratings with the high base sill here in the back. And then you can see a small track here, Devin, that could accept a screen if you do want a screen on these doors as well. So again, a 600 series sliding patio door. This is a OXXO configuration.
Awesome. Well, let's close up that biparting application. Cool. Thanks, Western and Jacob.